Alright. Well, if you just joined us, this is the opening of the 2013 Panini Prominence. I'm going over the rules again because we just started the video. It's 7 p.m. September 16th. Couple rules. If the card is a combo card, the team listed on the front of the card to the left is what team it goes to. Or if it's on the top, if it's top to bottom, then the top player goes to that team. If it's a traded player, they go to what jersey they're in or what team they currently play for. You can pay for shipping after the break at PayPal. My email address is rickmunghay@yahoo.com, and it's $2 for your hits. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Three boxes, 15 cards in here. Let's see. Here we go. Looks like each box is going to get open. I'll move this over a little bit so you can see. Box number one. My razor blade's getting dull. Alright, let's try the scissors. That worked. Box one. And starting out, we have Danny Amendola of the New England Patriots. Mark Sanchez, I think all the bases are, they're not numbered, for the New York Jets. Alex Smith out of 199. It hits backwards. First hit goes to the Chargers. Keenan Allen out of 100. Field card. And Joseph Randall. And not numbered, so there's a base in the back. Ooh, sorry about that. Box number two. I'll set these to the side here. A little shaky. Hopefully everything goes right for once for this break. No audio problems. So, bring the top card up. Zach Dysert for the Broncos. Matt Flynn for the Raiders. Tony Romo and Cordarrelle Patterson for the Vikings. And the hit is Latavius Murray. Never heard of him. It's $9.99. So, box number three. Hopefully there's a really good hit in this last box. Something we can always all talk about tomorrow. Bring the top one up. Desmond Trufant for the Falcons. Alright, I'll just leave it. Jonathan Stewart for the Panthers. Antonio Gates for the Chargers. Jason Witten out of 99. And the hit is for the Packers. Dontae Jones out of 200. Field autograph. He did pretty good yesterday. So that's it. 3 boxes, 15 cards, 5-dough box. Thanks everybody for joining the break. I'll upload it right away to YouTube, and we'll see you for the next break. Thank you.